Hey there everybody, how's it going? Nice to see you again. So I am about 45 minutes away from where I live, and I'm near a town in Oregon called Helix. And this is the northeast corner of Oregon, and it's very reminiscent of the Palouse, which is up in eastern Washington. And the trick to the Palouse and why it's so photogenic is the fact that they don't need any irrigation equipment to irrigate the fields because they get enough rainfall for what they grow. Well, you could kind of consider this area the Palouse South into photographic terms. I've already saw a composition behind me here with that tree and the grain silo there, and I'll show you how I saw that. So here's my deal. It's hard to see with the sun, but you get the idea. So I lined it up kind of like so, and that's I think the Osmo Pocket's focusing on my viewfinder, but that's the shot there. Now the reason why I drove up here, if we walk over here, I will show you. There's a Finnish church. Let me turn this around and I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. And the Finnish church, it's got a big fence around it because they were having some problems. But the lady showed up right, like perfect timing, right when we showed up, because she's getting ready for Easter service tomorrow morning. So yeah, 1884. So there's the plaque. I don't know if you can see that, but all right, so I'm going to whip out the camera and take a couple of shots, and there we go. So 8 by 10 is slow. 4 by 5 is much faster because it's a crop camera. God, it feels so dinky compared to 8 by 10. Yeah, I would really enjoy the Chamonix Alpinist X. That would be lovely. But I'm glad I have the Intrepid. Okay, lens is in my pocket. All right. I prefer the Wanderer dark cloths, but they're heavy and they're expensive, and they make a lightweight one, but it's not cheap. So I've got this inexpensive, I forget who makes it, it says so on it somewhere. When I take it off, I'll figure it out. There's another way to make this a little quicker. this is the shot I had envisioned, but I don't have the focal length. I just ordered a Nikkor 450, which would have made the 8x10 shot a little bit tighter, but I don't have it yet. So there you go, polarizer. I gotta get some better rings for these polarizers, because right now I got a mishmash of adapter rings that don't really work. I like the brass rings. I need a 52 to 77. Cable release just fell off. Perfect, that's looking awesome. Yeah, let me check the focus on the bottom. I should have done that before I put the polarizer on. Dark cloth attacking me. That'll work. Where'd the cable release go? There it is. So again, nothing's changed metering wise. Same film. Same film. Make sure everything's tight. We're good. All right, shutter's good. Now I need film. Like I said, this is the part where I can relax. Once the metering and the composition and locking everything down is done, then I can just enjoy taking the photograph. Gosh, it seems so dinky. Make sure this is locked down. All right, let's do this. 1 second. F64. Bet you didn't expect to have company today. I hope you don't mind. If I get a good shot, I'll bring you a photograph to hang in the church. Four seconds. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000. Okay, I'm going to get a shot of the outside of the church just because you don't get an opportunity to photograph a 140-year-old church too often. And normally I probably wouldn't be able to get in here because it's the day before Easter and this very nice lady is cleaning the inside of the church. She's letting me run around here and have some fun. So I'm going to grab a quick shot, if there is such a thing with a 4x5 camera, of this side of the church. Well, you can see it behind me there. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, what a perfect day of photography so far. I mean, really just loving this. Nice conditions, not too much of a breeze. The Palouse South is what this is. It's just between Pendleton, Oregon and Milton Freewater, Oregon, and a little bit off the beaten path. But yeah, there's no point in driving to the Palouse for me. This is 45 minutes from where I live. And I can get all the Palouse photography I want right here pretty much. So absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for coming out today. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you out here. Have a great one. Bye.